Hello, fellow St. Leo Lions. Dr. Stan Reilly here, and welcome to Entrepreneurship here at St. Leo University. I'm really looking forward to working with you in this class, mainly because I have taught entrepreneurship classes with other universities, but this is the first time I will have had the opportunity to work with St. Leo Lions on this very interesting and compelling subject matter. So really, with that said, what we're going to be doing together is developing a business venture. Okay? Now, what you'll need to do after you read all of the materials that are in the course is start thinking about the kind of business that you would like to launch. Now, perhaps some of you are already in the business, are running your own business, or a part of another business environment where you are a partner or somehow invested in it. But if not, and you've always wanted to start a business all your own, this class may be a really good way for you to, I guess, set into motion those ideas and those possibilities. All right. So what I want you to think about is the kind of business that you would like to launch. And remember, businesses today have to do with demand and what is currently and what you foresee, what you forecast to be in demand for the future. So, and also you want to create something of interest, because ordinary, if there's tons and tons and tons and tons of businesses like the one that you're conceiving, then it's going to be really, really tough to be that new entrant into the marketplace and to stay competitive. So what I found to be true is if you have a business that is relatively ordinary, you think of another business that is ordinary, but if you blend the two of them together, ordinary and ordinary, then you get extraordinary because it's something new, something different. And that's what is going to be in demand, if it's something different from what you see everywhere else. So just consider that. I don't want to take up a lot of time in this video because the video shuts down on me. So I can't talk for very long, so lucky you. But just know that in our time together, you will ultimately develop a business plan. Now, in that business plan, and I've got various components broken down for you in the doc sharing area. You'll need to address each of those different areas with your research and with your homework. And also note that each week you will have an assignment. No tests in this class, but each week you'll have a writing assignment to submit using the designated Dropbox for that week. All right. Some of the assignments will ask you that you write about one particular exercise from your e-text or hard text, whatever you decide to get. Some assignments will have multiple, 2 or 3 different aspects from your text that you'll write about. But just remember that each week your assignment should be one assignment submission, even though there are different sections from your book, different exercises that you will put together. Still, it's one assignment. And always include your title page with that assignment, and always include references at the end with that assignment. So again, it could be one exercise where you would have a title page, and then you'll address that material and then in with references and upload that for that particular week. Or for a different week, it could be 2 or more exercises, but all together. But of course, break them down as different sections within that one assignment, but still the title, your title page, and a reference list at the end. All right. Data charts are always good. Diagrams, pictures worth 1,000 words. So focus on converting some of your Excel expertise into charts and graphs and histograms and pie charts and other types of line charts, anything. Break-even analyses are always good to include, and that would be something that you would likely include in your business plan at the end that you would submit in week 8. All right, so all of this is building up to submitting that business plan in week 8. So it's not like you're doing separate assignments and then having to write a separate business plan. All of this will cohesively work, join together as you compile your business plan at the very end, all right? Because you'll be looking at earlier on how to structure business. You know, is it a sole proprietorship? Is it a partnership? You're going to do an LLC? Would it be a incorporative sort of thing? Okay, so you define your structure and you explain why and how you came about that decision. Of course, you would need to do how you're going to raise your capital. What are you putting? How much money are you putting in this your own? How much are you going to borrow? You're going to be seeking out venture capitalists. Are you going to look for people who will be like angel investors and just donate because they want a tax write-off? All right, maybe some of all of that. But you would need to define your fundraising or your capital raising strategies as well. And then, of course, you look at your marketing strategies. How are you going to get the word out about your business and why people should buy your products or use your services? So, again, all of these different aspects will be wrapped up and put together. But the course is one that once you begin it, day 1, it all leads up to the very last day of week 8. So it is a cohesive type of course, so that you're not working a lot of separate issues and then have to do a separate project, okay? All of it's going to work together on your behalf. So anyway, I'm looking forward to working with you here in entrepreneurship. And of course, I'm here for your success. Your success is my reward. And if you ever have questions, comments, or concerns, do not hesitate, please, to reach out to me. All right? Thanks all. I'm going to stop talking now, and take care. Looking forward to, again, the next 8 weeks and working with you in entrepreneurship here at St. Leo University.